Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of My Bucket List Day. For those of you that are new to the channel, my name is Jeff, and I cover all sorts of topics around RV life and living your bucket list. So if you subscribe, which I hope you do, you'll see a lot of that. Today it's going to be a short video. We are going to kind of take care of a leak. You'll see that I've got a leak in an RV, and for those of you that are RVing full time, you pretty much know that inevitably everybody gets a leak, and I got one too. So it was an easy fix. You'll see that here, and then you're gonna see something hilarious. I got dared to see if I could come out of a basement head first. So you're gonna laugh watching me try to do that one, and then after that you're going to see some friends of mine, which are also probably friends of yours, some people you'll recognize. But we'll get into that right after this. All right, everybody, there comes a time for all RV owners, whether you're full-time or part-time, you're going to have a water leak. Well, I've been fairly fortunate that in the 2.5 years, or almost 2.5 years, I really haven't had any. Well, I had one issue. That's a whole nother story. You guys saw that video a couple years ago. But I haven't had any pipes leak or lines leak or anything until now. As you see, I got water all over this bay, and I don't know if you can see that, but let me try to get the camera in there. There's a leak right there. That fitting is leaking. Easy fix. Okay, so all that was wrong is the stainless steel line right here was leaking at this collar. I tried to tighten it, it didn't solve it, so I just replaced it. But not sure why that started leaking. But the quick disconnects, everything else is all dry, so we're all good there. Oh, Jesus. This isn't working well.
You can do it, you can do it. I think I can.
I'm smashing my unit.
I think I can.
Oh. Probably not the best way of getting out of there. Hey everybody. So we're back, and it's always fun to go meet up with some friends that, oh my gosh, here they are, that you may know some of them. So when you're out and about, it's always good to get together with some friends you haven't seen in a while. So here we go. You may recognize a few of them. Hey everybody.
Hey, welcome. What's going on, man?
Hey guys.
Hey.
Where's my drink?
Hey,
Water.
All right.
You get
Okay.
the wobbly table.
Now we're gonna drink.
Is this a video?
Hey. Not in your face.
Into the menu.
Oh yeah, we could do that. Look, you're a photographer.
Well, that's not cool. I know, I do.
Yeah, I'm sure they do. Pool water.
Yeah, that's cool water now.
Yeah. All right, go out to the sidewalk and we'll head east.
It's a very Very juicy past.
Leslie, any comments to that?
No comment. Oh, I'm gonna plead the fifth on that one. Not gonna touch it.
Hey, we got one piece of cake for all 5 of us, but they're all gonna act like, oh no, 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 I don't want any, I don't want any. What they're really telling me is they want me to open it up and break into it before they come over. So, let's dig in. Okay, everybody, that was a lot of fun hanging out with all my friends, admittedly, some other YouTubers, as you guys already know. And they're a great bunch of folks. A lot of fun to hang around with. And by the way, the cake at the end, yeah, they all dove into that cake. Don't let them fool you. They devour with that, with me, admittedly. So I wanted to show you something else. I'm still in Florida, taking care of all the things I was telling you in a few videos ago with my parents, for my parents. And you'll notice in Florida, when you get towards the summer, look around me. There's nobody here. Because it's too freaking hot. Who wants to be in Florida in the summertime? So yeah, this whole area here is completely empty. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, it was going to be a short one. I will keep you guys posted on the progress of the project I'm working on to help out my parents. It is moving, but it is moving a little slower than I had hoped. But I'll keep you abreast of that. Next week's episode is going to be a lot of fun. A couple updates. And you're going to see we're going to do some unique things with an F450. And it's for the RV life. And what's cool about that is I don't think anybody's ever tried to make these types of upgrades, or I don't want to say upgrades. They're really kind of integrations, things that we're going to do to that F450 to make it even a better RV vehicle. So stay tuned for that. That's next week's episode. Well, that's pretty much all we have for this episode. I want to remind all of you to go ahead and hit that little like, subscribe, and ring that little bell. Let you know I'm putting out another video. And always leave those comments. Tell me if you guys had leaks. I know mine was very simple. And then we had a little fun with some friends down in Winter Garden, Florida. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. Make it a great bucket list day. Goodbye.